Hey everyone, special video today with unboxing mystery packages from Amazon. We went to do the shopping at Carrefour and there were huge boxes full of these and it's €14.90 a kilogram. So it's not that expensive. I'm going to show you the ticket straight away. You can see it says mystery collie, mystery package $14.90. And this came just under 1 kilo and we've got 11 packages to open. What are you hoping are inside the packages?
I hope we find like jewelry, MP3 players, some headphones maybe, something like that.
Yeah. I want things we can resell. I'm trying to buy a full carbon racing bike and I don't have enough money. So yeah, I want to try and resell what's inside. So we're going to do this in 2 parts. Just to say, the first time we went around, we took some packages and then I put them back in the box because I thought this is bad for the environment. It's too much consumerism. But the guy that's done a shop full of these, he said a lot of this would end up in a landfill anyway. It just get thrown away and destroyed. So at least this way, it has a second life, generates taxes, gives people jobs, and so on. Which one do you want to do first?
This one.
This one, okay. Just before you open it, I want to talk about the strategy that some of the people were using. So what did you notice?
So some people went to grab the biggest ones, the ones that are big like a PS5 or something, but we saw this box that was a bit open and it had only wraps for watches.
Like the straps?
Yes, only that.
Just full of that.
It was a big one, but it was just full of that junk.
So bigger doesn't mean better necessarily. It could just be full of the same thing, straps for watches. Yeah. So my strategy was to get as light as possible and as many. I didn't want to make a big investment.
Yes.
All right, let's go straight into it.
Okay, this is the way.
Drum roll.
Okay, so there's, it looks like jewelry.
Awesome.
Wait, let's see.
Let's see what's inside. Excited. What does it say on the box?
There's Avstar. It's like
Avstar.
it looks like a jewelry brand or something.
Okay, and what's inside?
I can't open it.
You can't because of your nails?
Yeah.
It is jewelry. That's cool. That's cool for the first one.
Yeah.
Super cool.
It's like a necklace.
Yeah, I wonder if it's real gold. Oh, it's nice. It looks a little bit small though.
Yeah.
I think this is for a girl. Hey, that's a nice start. Do you want to wear it straight away? Or
Oh, no.
No?
Mm-mm.
And what else is in the box? Wait, is there any like information about it?
No, there's nothing more. It's just empty.
Okay. So in terms of the strategy, we can put it to a test. I saw people scanning the outside of the box, okay? Like scanning the barcode and also scanning the QR code, which I thought was pretty clever. The woman in front of me was scanning these, but it just comes up with the size of the package and the recycling information. It doesn't actually tell you what's inside. I had an idea, which we've kind of put to the test. Some of these packages, when it's electronics, it has a sticker here that says lithium-ion battery, okay?
That's cool.
Right, and this one, where that sticker would go, there's nothing there, but there's nothing before. Whereas if you look at this one on the top of the pile, you can see
it's ripped.
It's ripped and it was darker. You see it's darker. So I'm wondering if that means electronics was inside.
That there was a sticker on it. Yeah,
saying lithium-ion battery. If that is correct, and this has got something expensive, we're going to stop the video and go straight back to Carrefour and buy a load more. Okay?
Yeah.
You want to do it? Okay, cool. Good start with the jewelry.
That's cool.
Yeah, so all of this for €14.30.
I don't know what this is.
It's ears for headphones, maybe.
Yeah? Like
Yeah, these are headphone ears. Wow, that's weird. So in fact, the dog ate my...
Yeah, the ear, everything. He just
and
destroyed it.
And you could actually see in my last video, these are microphone covers. The dog ate the microphone cover in the last video we made with him about the trailer. So that was quite good. Yeah, cool.
Fits perfect.
Yeah. Let's do 3 more.
Now it's your turn.
My turn? Do you want to pick one for me?
You could do This one's like it looked like it had a sticker. So try this one.
Yeah, but that thing doesn't work because the last one looked
Yeah.
like it had the sticker and it wasn't electronic.
Maybe it was just coincidence.
Yeah. I didn't. This is. What? No way.
What is it?
It's a memory card flash 16 gigabytes.
Is that good?
I'm not sure. Like, it looks like an old-fashioned one. I'm not sure for what devices this is for.
CD.
No, it's for a computer, like a laptop or like a desktop computer, not like a
Oh.
phone.
Yeah.
So I'm not really sure what this size looks huge. It's like
we don't really need this.
no, we don't, and it looks like we've gone back in time. You know, this looks like
Yeah.
something from the 90s.
Like an old granny bought it or something.
Oh, but there's a second one.
Oh,
2 in 1.
wow, that's good.
Maybe it's related to that.
Maybe it's something else.
That's weird. 2, and it's completely sealed. I think it's the same thing again. There's 2 of them.
It's just C.
Yeah, I think it feels like the same. Oh, it's another memory card. 16.
Wow.
So, yeah,
It's the same one.
it's the same one twice. Okay. Don't know what to do with that. Your turn.
Okay, I'll try the bigger one.
Yeah.
A3.
A3 size. You just pull the cord.
Oh, like that?
Try again, buddy.
I'll try the other side.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, party snack thing.
Who would order that from Amazon?
Like for a party, like when you have these snacks, you put these in to hold the snack. It's like, yeah.
Like in a cake or a sandwich?
Oh, and there's like medals and stuff. So it was maybe for like a party, a celebration about when someone got a medal or something.
Yeah. One last thing on the strategy. Some of the boxes were opened,
Yes.
the bigger boxes, and I think the workers in the warehouse had opened them to see if there was something good and then resealed it
With the red tape.
with the red tape. But then they wrote a symbol, this is my theory, telling their friends to buy that one because there's something good inside.
Oh.
And none of these have been opened.
But maybe they would keep the ones that when they ripped it and they looked, there could have been the good stuff. They would take that and leave the ones that they opened and were bad stuff there.
Yeah.
So,
Right, let's do one more and then we're going to
Yeah.
take a pause. You want me to choose?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the square. I was saying things with a square inside could be MP3 player. There's not been a sticker where it says sorry, I covered you up there like that. There's not been a sticker, so maybe it's not electronics.
Maybe it's the opposite.
Like what? Like a book? A little book?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look. Oh.
What is it?
Guarantee
Active beer.
So it's from Shenzhen. Télécommande portable. Remote control.
Oh.
But for what?
Like batteries or something?
To open something.
It's
Oh, it's for it's to clone remote controls. To open like garages if we want
That's
to.
good.
If we want to like steal a car.
Yeah, we really want that.
Yeah.
Okay, do we need that? Like,
not really, because unless we want to go around stealing cars at night or breaking into people's houses.
oh, it has batteries.
It has batteries, but Horman 4068 remote control to clone other remote controls. I guess it's for garages.
Yeah, it looks like that.
So let's take a break and then we'll
Yeah.
do the next ones.